How to find saved videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on the video you want to save. Let's start by saving the video first. Click on the video you want to save. At the bottom, scroll to the left and you'll find Save option. Click on it. Here you'll find all your playlists. Select where you want to save. After it's saved, what you can do is go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And now in here, click on View All Playlist and select the playlist you saved the video earlier. And you will find your saved videos here in this way. You can create a new playlist as you want as well. And this is how to find saved videos on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.